Hello everyone, and in this lesson we're going to learn how to use Accordion in Bootstrap. So in order to do that, we just have to go to getbootstrap.com, go to docs, and in here you can go to content, forms, and components. Search for Accordion, and in here you have all the different accordions that you can use in your website. So I'm going to start with the first one and most simple one here. So we just have to use this source code here. Let's copy this. And in your body, just paste this, save this. And let's launch. So there it is, working perfectly. Now you can use any of these accordions that you have here. You have a few different ones. Okay, so feel free to use it. It's pretty simple, and fast forward how to include it in your site, and see you guys later. Bye bye.